Porsche 911 has long been an icon in the sports car world, and the 2025 model takes that legacy forward with a blend of tradition and modern technology. At first glance, the classic 911 silhouette is unmistakable. It's sleek, curvy, and aggressive, with that iconic sloping roofline that enthusiasts love. But look closer, and you'll see some updates that bring the car firmly into the future. The 2025 911 offers refined aerodynamics, with redesigned bumpers and air intakes, giving it a more aggressive and performance-oriented look. Subtle but effective tweaks to the lighting setup, including full LED matrix headlights and updated rear light strips, add a modern touch without straying from its classic roots. Inside, the Porsche 911 combines luxury with a driver-centric approach. High-quality materials like leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber are prominent throughout the cabin. Porsche has ensured the 911 feels special as soon as you step in, with every detail crafted to create an immersive experience. The digital instrument cluster provides all the essential information in a clear, crisp format, and there's a center touchscreen with a redesigned infotainment system. It's intuitive and responsive, with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice command features that ensure you stay connected while focusing on the thrill of the drive. The seats are incredibly comfortable and supportive, hugging you tightly as you take on curves, while advanced climate control keeps the cabin just the way you like it. Under the hood, the 2025 Porsche 911 continues to deliver the performance enthusiasts crave. Porsche has fine-tuned its flat six engine options, offering a range of power outputs to suit different driving preferences. The base models start with around 385 horsepower, but if you're looking for something with more punch, there are turbocharged options in the higher trims, with the Turbo S boasting over 600 horsepower. Porsche's legendary PDK dual-clutch transmission is available, delivering lightning-fast shifts that make the car feel even more responsive. The 911 has also retained its rear-wheel drive layout, though all-wheel drive models are available for those who need extra traction. Handling remains one of the 911's standout features. With Porsche's advanced adaptive suspension and active aerodynamics, the car feels planted at any speed. Driving enthusiasts will appreciate the incredible feedback and precision from the steering, which makes every corner a joy to tackle. Porsche has also included a range of driving modes, from Comfort to Sport Plus, allowing you to tailor the driving experience to your mood or road conditions. The result is a car that can handle everything from daily commutes to high-performance track days with ease. In terms of safety and driver assist features, Porsche has equipped the 2025 911 with advanced tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features enhance the overall experience, making the 911 as comfortable and safe as it is thrilling to drive. It's clear Porsche has crafted a car that can be both exhilarating and practical, ensuring that the 2025 911 lives up to its iconic status.